Hello everybody. In the last videos, you saw how to connect your BeagleBone and the TI sensortag to the IBM multi-cloud platform. And after that, we create a simple BlueMix application using the IoT app node in the Node-RED. Today, we will create together a fire alarm application using the BeagleBone and the TI sensortag and Node-RED in BlueMix. So building the fire alarm application. Let's go to the Node-RED flow editor and let's start to create our IoT application. So here is my BlueMix dashboard. I will click on my Node-RED application. Now I will click on the routes. And here is the Node-RED BlueMix. I will click on the go to your Node-RED flow editor. In here you can see the nodes that we used in the last video. The bug node, cloud app node, and the IoT app input node. So now I will remove the cloud app node and I will start the application now. So we have the IoT app configured that will get the data from my device. Here is the MAC address. Okay, I will connect the flow to the bug node, so we can see the data if we are getting the data correctly in the debug tab. Okay, so after that I will connect from the IoT app node. I will connect a function node in order to convert the message payload. So I wanted to my message payload just have the temperature. I don't want all the other sensors like the humidity, etc. I just wanted the temperature. So we are transforming the payload to have just the payload d.temperature property. So I will activate the debug tab to show you guys better. So I will stop. So we can see that here in the d property of the object is we have the pressure data, humidity, temperature, ambient temperature, etc. So I just wanted the temperature. So the message payload, that's the message that goes around the flows on the Node-RED flows. Now in the message payload we just have the temperature property. Okay, so after the function node I will connect a switch node where I will evaluate the message payload, and if the temperature is less or equals 4 degrees, okay, it means that your home is safe not catch fire. And if the temperature is over than 4 degrees, your home is in danger. Your home is in danger. Your home is in danger, and it will be to the flow number 2. Okay, so the flow, if the house is okay, safe, I would like to create a message, a simple message. I'll put the name of the node safe, and the message I will put your home is safe. Temperature. Okay, and for the second flow, that's when the temperature is over 4 degrees, I will also put a template node with the name fire, and your home is fire. Temperature, and we will see the temperature. So I will also connect on the bug node here for this node, so we also can see the message here. And in addition, I wanted to send a message to the owner of the house when it is catching fire, to receive a message let him know that the home is not safe. So I will add a Twilio node, but before the Twilio node I will add a delay node, because the data that are come from the sensor tag, it arrives in the IBM IoT cloud every 5 milliseconds. So if we are sending data via Twilio node every 5 milliseconds, it can lock your cell phone or something like that, and we don't want that. So I'll put on delay node. I will limit the message to 2 messages per minute and drop intermediate message. Okay, and now I can connect to the Twilio node. So now let's configure the Twilio node. I already have a Twilio account, so you can go to the Twilio website and create a trial account. It's free, no shares, so it's very easy. So the Twilio will provide you a Twilio number and account ID and a token. You just go to the Twilio node here and configure it. And it's my Twilio number, it's already set. And I'll put the message to my number, my own number. So let me put. So now our application is set. I'll click on the deploy button and let me stop right now to show you guys. Here is the data that we are getting in the message that we are creating. Okay, so as I don't want to put fire in my room while I'm recording the video, I will change the values. I will not use 4 degrees. So as you can see, we are got around 25 degrees. I will put here 26. So first let me show you the screen of my cell phone. Okay, so it's the screen of my cell phone, as you can see on the video. We should see the message when the Twilio sent to me. And now I will activate the debug, and we can see that we have the data, and I will hold the device and blow in order to elevate the temperature and reach the 26 degrees. Okay, and as you can see, I will stop now. We can see the message is changed. Your home is catching fire, temperature 26.5 degrees, and we should receive this message in my cell phone. And as you guys can see, I received a message from Twilio telling me, sent for your Twilio trial account, your home is catch fire, temperature 26.4 degrees. So it's how the application works. I hope you like it. Thank you.